Hello everyone and welcome back to Motors&Me. I hope all of you had a wonderful Christmas despite the current situation the world is in. And so for today we are going to replace the cabin filter on my Mark IV Mondeo. And we are going to replace the old filter with this, a biofunctional cabin filter. So how is this any different from a regular filter? Let's see. This one has 3 layers. First one is particle filter layer, removes pollen, diesel soot, and particulate matter. Second layer is, and not all filters have this, premium activated carbon layer, eliminates odors, harmful gases, and ozone. And the third layer is biofunctional layer, protects against allergies, bacteria, and mold. And supposedly this third layer also is good against viruses. And given the state the world is in now, but in all honesty, it's not like this is going to prevent you from getting COVID-19 because it's already highly unlikely to get infected while driving a car. Well, of course, that is unless your passenger has COVID-19, but that's a whole different story. But I mean, the price difference from this and a regular filter is not significant. I mean, we're talking about a regular cheap filter will cost me 10 euros. And this super premium filter cost me 20 euros. So I guess, why not? So, what's inside? That's the filter. It's a weird color. And I suppose instructions. Oh yeah, that's for the C-Max Focus Kuga. And there's the Mondeo. Oh, cool. And I guess we'll be going by these instructions too, so. Alright, let's get to it. So, the filter is located in the driver's footwell. We will need to remove this thing first. Gosh, it's dirty. So, filter is behind this cover. That cover is held in by 3 screws according to the instructions, but to remove that we will first have to remove this, and that too is held in by 3 screws, I think. Yeah. Alright, so first let's remove the gas pedal. I have no idea how I'm going to do that with the camera, but let's give it a shot. That's number 1. Okay, I removed 3 screws, and this is how it looks now. I pushed the gas pedal aside a bit so it's not in the way. And now we can finally access that cover. But what I have noticed is that in the manual it said there should be 3 screws, but I can only see 1. I guess my mechanic, when he last replaced the cabin filter, said, why bother? Oh well, less work for me. Alright, now for that little cover. Really? Is that loose? Yeah, it is. Or it isn't. No, it is. Really light? There's a screw. It's the only one. Get my light. That's the cover. And there's the air filter. Cabin filter. Come out. Come on. You can do it. Oh, there it is. Almost. Yep. Well, there it is. It's a bit dirty, but not that dirty. It's been sitting in there for 2 years, and these should be replaced every year, or at least every 15,000 kilometers, or that's what it says on the new filter. Yeah. And here's a side-by-side. You can see that this basically is a cheap filter, because it only has, I think, 1, maybe 2 layers. But this has 3 layers, so premium. So, a couple of things before you install it. Remember that here on one of the sides should be the direction of the airflow. You can see the little arrow there. So that means the yellow side goes towards the back, because that's how the airflow goes. And the second thing is, don't be afraid to twist or turn these a little bit, because they can handle it. I mean, it's pretty tight down there, and you will most likely have to twist or turn it to make it fit there. But don't worry about that. Now, before you start, you might want to remove the gas pedal entirely. Aside from the 3 screws, you just disconnect the power, and that's it. Okay, now for real, let's do it. Alright. Now, with the gas pedal out of the way, it should be easier. It probably won't, but oh well. Now, oh, there we go. There we go. Whew. That was tough. Now the cover. Like that, I guess. I don't know. There you go. That's the cover. Now the gas pedal. Connect the power. Like so. Oh, I think I'm so gonna lose one of these. I got a feeling. And the last one is up there. You can't see it. Okay. Right. Yes. Now to tighten them. And that's number 3. Okay, floor mat back in. Yeah. A lot of dust and sand. Let's see if everything works. Gas pedal. Oh yeah. Now airflow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, everything works as it should. Alright, so that is how you replace the cabin filter on a Mark IV Mondeo. About a thing that this cabin filter is supposed to filter viruses, I don't know. As I said, the likelihood of getting infected while driving a car is pretty much close to 0 anyways, so. But for me, the most important thing is that the cabin filter is able to remove odors from the outside. So, this one does that. In the comment section below, let me know what you think about the antivirus part. Is it worth it? Is it not? Or you can just comment about your experience while replacing the cabin filter on your car. That's it for today. If you guys think this video was useful for you, then please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.